Good morning, children. Today we will continue chapter 18, our rights and duties. During last class we have studied about fundamental rights, and today we will continue fundamental duties. And fundamental duties are taken from the Constitution of Soviet Union. The Constitution of India expects the citizens to perform certain duties towards the country. Constitution has given us some rights. If we are having rights by the Constitution, some duties are also given. We have to perform duties towards our nation. Such duties are called fundamental duties. Some of them are: number 1, we must abide by the Constitution. We must show respect to the national flag and the national anthem. We must take care of the environment, means we have to take care of our environment. We must take care of public property, means we should not destroy them. We have to preserve them. We must preserve our cultural heritage like monuments, heritage buildings, etc. Parents or guardians must send their children to school, means it's the duty of parents to send their children to school. Here are given some duties. There are some other duties also. You can find out and you can learn. Here, directive principles. Our Constitution lists some guidelines for the government to ensure the welfare of the people. Means Constitution has given some guidelines to the government for the welfare of the people. Means it's the duty of the government to do good things for the people. These are called directive principles. Means these are the guidelines for especially government. By using that, they do welfare of the people. The Constitution asks the government to ensure that, number 1, people have proper living conditions, means it is the duty of government to provide proper living conditions to the people. Every child goes to school, means right to education is also the duty of government. Every person gets proper treatment when he is sick, means that it is a duty of government to give proper treatment if any citizen is sick. So these are some duties, some guidelines for the government for the welfare of the people. Here is given one fact wise also. The directive principles listed in our Constitution were adapted from the Constitution of Ireland. Like fundamental duties are taken from United States, fundamental rights are taken from United States, fundamental duties from Soviet Union, and directive principles from the Constitution of Ireland. Here you can see one picture. Keeping our surroundings clean is our fundamental duty. Children who are cleaning the area. Here is given words to know: republic, citizen, law, read and learn. Quick recap is also there. Basic rights given to all Indian citizens are called fundamental rights. The 6 fundamental rights are: right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, and right to constitutional remedies. Our Constitution also lists some fundamental duties. Our Constitution lists some guidelines for the government. These are called directive principles. And here is one read and answer exercise. Take the correct answers and write true and false. Read and do them in your book.